Hi, everybody. I am the sixth worker of Hauji Electronics. Today, I will introduce a general liquid pressure sensor, a sensor for measuring water pressure. First of all, let's look at the continuum of it. The water pressure of the general pipeline is generally 2 MPa is water pressure. If it's low pressure, that may be more than the range. Output is 4到20毫安 H， 24 loads. M20 乘 1.5 represents its spare buds. The production date is August 18. This is made up. Return it and give us a new test. Because it suspects it's a bit inaccurate. It's about 4 years old. It's 2022 this year. Check if it is inaccurate. Let's go back and test. Because this one is a terabyte. So is terabytes. Of course. What about its price? Relatively speaking, because it uses a spiral. Its core is inside. So the whole cost is not high. But we still used stainless steel. This end face is a sealed end face. If this is the only one in it, it is a sensor hole. It is all water that flows in and compresses. Let's have a primary and secondary transformer circuit here. Convert it to 4到20毫安 H. 0:5 loads 0:10 loads. There is a video in front of it. Did you specifically talk about the way of this power certificate signal certificate? It's not that the plus or minus is the power certificate signal certificate. Like this. Concatenated in PLC or other data. There will be no chaos. Okay. So we have another one today. That means the pressure is over 20 megapascals. So this is, again, 2063, because they use different ranges. Same specifications, but the price will also vary. Let's take a look. This product is 0:33 board 4:30 out. It will leave the factory today in May 2022. Its core is a stainless steel core, and this 1 megapascal core is two different things. This is 1 megapascal. We usually use. His diaphragm is thinner because it's a megapascal. If you 30 trillion, he in turn, it's got a relatively thick core. It's thicker, and it is still welded inside with stainless steel. This is a suspension to screw it to death. Of course, you can also achieve, but its overall capacity is not strong. If it was easy, it would be broken in one fell swoop. He can also make 30 trillion, 20 trillion this range. But his overall capability is too weak. The price is also very cheap. It's the other way around. We do this with lasers. Laser welding killed it. The cost will definitely be relatively high. And we now have a new type of. Also made a pressure limiting end here. Then its ability to expand is even stronger. Let's say 30 trillion. Then you run to a 60 trillion. There will be no problem with my products. You get what you pay for. If you are the same, you are pursuing then the price. So do we. It can also be done this way. This is the difference between a hydraulic transducer. Are there no cheap and good products in the world? You get what you pay for. We usually guarantee this for 2 years. Then we will share today's video here. Thank you very much.